In front of me is Huawei Mate X6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now use this plus at the bottom in the middle, and first of all, set up an hour. Then hit repeat and pick days of the week. To save them, hit OK. If you want to, you can tap on this switcher next to Allow Skipping Alarms to enable or disable this feature, and then hit Sound. Tap on Allow. Click on Vibration at the top to pick one of those patterns. Disable vibrations or synchronize them with ringtone. Go back, hit Music on device to pick any song from your smartphone and apply it. Or tap on one of those recommended ones. Then hit Label to name it and OK to save its new name. Now select ring duration to decide how many minutes it will ring if you don't react, and snooze duration to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Save those changes by hitting OK. Now just tap on this check mark at the top right corner. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click on it and make some changes. Then click on the check mark again. And to get rid of it, tap on it, hit delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!